Hi everyone, I'm coming to you today with a PSA about your sewer line, which is so glamorous. But if you live in an old house or in a city, you probably still have clay tile sewer line out to the street. And you may or may not know this, but replacement of that, if it breaks, is on the homeowner. It's not on the city. And you might think, oh, it can't be that bad, a couple $1,000s at the worst. Wrong. I've heard estimates from $10,000 to $18,000. I did a quick online search this morning and saw that it's up to $450 per square foot of sewer line that they replace out to the street. And this doesn't even include the damage to the inside of your house from having sewage back up into it. So just coming to tell you, long way around, that most insurance or some insurance does not include coverage for that. However, after hearing this agent tell me about her $18,000 quote to replace the sewer line, someone mentioned that State Farm offers a sewer line rider, and it covers up to $10,000 on replacement of the sewer line. We called our insurance company, which is not State Farm, and they did not cover sewer line replacement. So we are actually looking at changing insurance companies, and I just thought I would throw this out there because for me, the more you don't get stuck with a big bill, and also maybe if it's something that concerns you, you can look into it on your own. All right, so that's it. Have a great day.